Hi everyone, my name is Lauren from Proline Range Hoods, and today I'm going to be unboxing the PLJW 12536 just to show you the contents that are inside of the box. Upon receiving your range hood, you'll want to check the box to make sure there's no damage to it, just to ensure that the range hood isn't damaged either. So if there is any damage, still open it up. You can look at the range hood, and then if the range hood is damaged, go ahead and give our customer service team a call and we'll get a replacement sent out for you. I'm going to go ahead and open the box now. All right, so now that I've opened the box, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the styrofoam panels that are inside. I'm gonna take off the front first, and you can notice here's the cord to plug it into the wall. Here is the installation manual that comes with the range hood, along with some hardware as well. And then we've also got some mounting brackets in here. Next, you'll wanna take off the top piece of styrofoam, and then you'll want to slide out each side of styrofoam. All right, and then on top right here, these are going to be the baffle filters for your range hood. You want to slide those out and you can set those aside. And then next we slide out the range hood. Okay, so now that we've unpackaged the range hood, I'm going to take this protective cloth off. And right here you can see the two blowers. This model in particular is a 900 CFM blower. So these are the two motors for it, and then this area is where you'll install the filters for your range hood. Okay, so now that we've unpackaged our filters that we set aside earlier, I'm gonna go ahead and install them. So what you'll wanna do first is take the bottom of the filter and put it into the back of the range hood, and you'll wanna push down and then slide the top into the range hood and let it slide back up. And for this model in particular, we've also got a spacer, so this goes in the middle between each baffle filter on the range hood. So this is going to be the same process. You're going to slide the bottom in first, and then push the top into place. And we're going to go ahead and do the last one. Same process, bottom in first, push, slide the top in. Okay, so now that we've got our baffle filters and spacer installed, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the back of the range hood here. You're gonna wanna take your power cord from earlier. This end will connect to the range hood on top over here. And then the other end, obviously, will plug into the wall. And these are the brackets from earlier, the mounting brackets. So you're gonna take one of them and mount it to the back of the hood right here. And then the other bracket inside will mount to the wall, and then you'll simply hang the range hood on the mounting bracket that's already attached to the wall. This is the opening on the top of the range hood. It's 7-inch round duct, so you're gonna wanna make sure that your ductwork will line up and match with this size. You never wanna go smaller in your ductwork, so if you have, say, 8 or 9-inch ductwork, that will also work. You'll just wanna make sure to get a transition piece that will attach to the two. So yeah, this is what you should expect to see when your range hood arrives. Give us a call if you have any questions or concerns, or if there's anything we can help you with.